absolutely love Burpee's seed starting mix. Now what I love about this is that it comes super small and concentrated, meaning it is not having a large impact in shipment because all of it is being shipped, whether you're getting a big bag of dirt from a store or getting this small square that you're going to add water to have it expand. But once you add water to this, it will expand and you will get a lot of dirt, and it is fantastic dirt. It is simply coconut coir, and when you add 4.5 quarts of warm water to it within 2 minutes, it's going to expand into a lot of dirt. And this is really important to me. I love that it will be the right kind of dirt for my vegetable garden, and it's just great all around. This is easy for you and it's great for your plants. Burpee's Starter Seed Mix.